Alright people, we are back with another unwrapping slash unboxing video. And today I'm going to be unwrapping the 4K version plus Blu-ray of Black Hawk Down, the extended edition or version, whatever you want to say, of it, plus the theatrical. Yeah buddy, great movie. I love Black Hawk Down, man. Awesome that it got a 4K treatment. Okay. Oh. The back of this digital code thing. Whoever wants the digital code can have it. So we'll take a good look at the front here. The side. The back. Man, this one is loaded full of special features. I love it. Which is on the Blu-ray. You got commentary. I love that. History Channel presents the true story of Black Hawk Down. Heck yeah, I'm definitely watching that. We got featurettes. Q&A. Trailers. Nice. So on the left here we got the Blu-ray, and on the right we have the 4K. Is that like a double? No, just one. Okay, it says bonus disc. I wasn't sure. Anyways, that is my unboxing of Black Hawk Down 4K, guys. That's it for now. Later.